The tour booking module in Penguin helps travel agencies sell tour packages to schools and universities. For example, if a school or university organizes a cricket program in Dubai, we can send a booking link to the school. The school then shares this link with students so they can book the tour. To begin, we create a tour master. A tour master is an event, like a 25-day cricket match in Dubai. While creating a tour master, we fill in the customer, consultant, departure date, arrival date, and choose if the tour is published or still a draft. We also add a description. If more details are needed, we can prepare a brochure and add a link to it. For example, here is a brochure link from Lion Sports Tour. We can view the brochure details and attach it to the tour master. When sending tour-related emails, we use an email template. We can create and attach this template to the tour master. Once everything is set and the tour is published, we send a booking link to the students or university, so they can share it and start booking. On the booking link, we enter the email address and send it to the person who will book. After sending, the receiver gets an email. There are a few emails, including a welcome message saying the booking is available. The email has 2 links, one for booking and one for the brochure. By clicking the brochure link, users can view it as shown before, or they can start a new booking and register. On the registration screen, users choose whether they are an existing or new user. New users sign up by entering their date of birth. We select the date of birth by year, month, and date. We also select gender, for example, female, and add a telephone number if needed. We enter an email address and password to continue. If the email address already exists, the system will not allow us to create the account. Continue. So, we use a new email and password, then sign up. The system sends an email, and the user receives it for registration. After logging in, we can see that this part is not editable. It just shows the information. We can add player information, like who is going to play. For example, we enter the title, select the type, add the email, and save it. If any family members are traveling with us, we can add their details. The reason is that the player might need a kit, but the accompanying traveler might not. We can add a memo and submit the information. After submitting, this booking appears on the travel agent's list, showing a new booking. In the tour booking list, we can see the new booking. The agent can open it to see who booked and view the details. We can print or email it from here. This creates a booking card in Penguin. This is how we handle tour bookings.